What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Angie Monique and I am trying out some new products in today's video for you guys. I went to Ulta a few weeks ago. I've been holding on to these products and I'm just sitting down, getting around to filming for you guys. So if you want to know some products that I purchased and how they apply, as you can tell, let's jump right in. What's up guys, so we're just gonna jump right into it. As you can tell, I'm gonna be trying some new products. Not all products are new. As you can tell, I already have my brows done, which I use my Colourpop precision brow pencil in the color Bangin' Brunette. So, and then I just prime my eyes as always using my Urban Decay eye primer potion and Eden. So we're just gonna jump right into one of the new products that I'm going to try, which is the Colourpop Whatever palette. I've been seeing this palette all over Instagram and Colourpop's Instagram, and a lot of people seem to like this palette. So this is what the shadows look like. Very fall, very nice palette. So we're just gonna get into a look. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna jump right in. And I think I'm gonna start with Pass It On, which is this color right here. I think I'm gonna start with that, and that's gonna be my transition color. And I think I'm probably going to, I'm gonna start with Copycat. I'm gonna start with this shade up here and use that as my transition color. And again, I don't know what look I'm going for, but we're just gonna try this palette out. How about that? And I know it's been a minute, but y'all, honestly, I just haven't been in the mood to film. Honestly, but nevertheless, I had these products, and I've been had these products. I know I've had these products for like over 2 weeks, and I just hadn't got around to sitting down to film with them. So I was like, let me just go on, knock this video out, try these products. And I've heard so many good things about all these products. Some of these products I'm actually super excited to try with you guys. Some of them I don't know, but we gonna test about today. So now I'm gonna go in with Pass It On, and I'm gonna put that right over Copycat. Oh, and the brush I'm using is just a blending brush from BH Cosmetics. They don't have numbers. This came in a set, and so we're just gonna do this right to the other eye. And again, I'm just taking Pass It On. And I really like the way these colors are blending into each other. As always, Colourpop really never does me wrong. But it's been a minute since I used the Colourpop or purchased the Colourpop palette. I think the last Colourpop palette I purchased was the Mar palette, and I really like that palette. I really do. I want to say it's more on like the orange, and it has like some blues. It's really good for like summer. Like that was a good go-to summer palette, so I really do like that palette. But Colourpop really has some good affordable palettes, and I know you can get Colourpop at Ulta. I just don't know if they sell everything, so definitely check Colourpop out and just go by Ulta and see what they got up in there and get it. Okay, so next I'm going to I think I'm gonna deepen this up a little bit. I think I'm gonna go in with a different brush, and I think I'm gonna take Miss Brightside, which is this burgundy color down here at the bottom. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this Morphe E17 brush, and I'm gonna take Miss Brightside, and we're gonna put that in the outer V and blend it into the crease as well. So we're gonna see how this gonna look, because again, oh, this highlighter though that I got, y'all, I've heard so many good things about it. I'm real late on this train with this highlighter, but I've heard great things. If you can guess what highlighter I'm talking about, it was well overhyped on YouTube. So if y'all can get, and it's drugstore. So if you can guess what highlight I'm talking about, leave it in the comment section below. Let's see if y'all can guess, if y'all been up on game. This palette is not bad, and I'm just gonna take my same blender brush and I'm blending this out so it can be nice and blended. I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take Not Okay. No, I think I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm gonna take Not Okay first. Okay, that's more so orange, which I can tell in the palette. But we're gonna put Ditch and You on top of it because I did want something like more of a rose gold. But we're gonna go in with this one first. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that crease color or with that crease brush, and I'm not gonna add any product to it. I'm just gonna take it and blend it in. There we go. Let's blend around that shimmer shade. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the eyes alone for right now, and I'm gonna move to the face. So for primer, I'm gonna be trying out this Wet n Wild PhotoFocus face primer, and this is the matte one. So I'm gonna be trying this out, and I'm excited about this foundation as well. Oh, y'all know I'm used to using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which has a little bit of tackiness, but this does not feel like that. It has a really soft finish. So we're gonna see how it matches with my foundation. And the foundation that I'm going to be trying today is the NYX Born to Glow Natural Radiant Foundation, and I got the color Cappuccino. I'm going to be trying this out. I've heard that this is similar to the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, and they both kind of have like the same name. Yep, this is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is the NARS one, and then this is the NYX Born to Glow Natural Radiant Foundation. So y'all know how I feel about this, so we're gonna test this out and see if it compares, you know, to my baby, because that's literally my baby. And I'm just going to we're gonna do that. And I'm going to take my brush and we're gonna buff this into. Alright, so concealer, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I'm taking the shade 415 Honey. This is also a new product, so new concealer. We're testing it out. And take it on the places that we, you know, always like to highlight, and trying to get it. Okay, let's blend you out. I love the way this is blending out. Now, I don't have a new setting powder, so I'm just going to take my Old Faithful, which is the Fenty Honey powder, and I'm going to set my under eye. Okay, and for the rest of my face, I'm going to take the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade 355 Coconut. I'm just going to take my big powder brush and buff this on the rest of my face. It is going to give you a little bit of coverage, so I'm just lightly. So I am going to apply some bronzer, and I don't have a new bronzer, but I do have a new blush. The blush I'm going to be using is the NYX Sweet Cheeks Glow Eclat Creamy Powder Blush, and I got the shade Bang Bang. So I want to try this out and see. I have not heard anything about this either, but it is a really pretty, if I can get it open without breaking the nail, that would be wonderful. Okay, so it's this really pretty berry tone color, and we're going to be trying this out, but I am going to go in with my bronzer first, and I'm going to take my Spice Market Sephora palette and just take this color right here, and I'm going to use that to bronze today. Okay, now let's go into this blush. That's pretty. I'm going to put some eyeliner on and smoke out the bottom lash line, and I'm just going to use the burgundy shade and maybe a little bit of this Pass It On under my bottom lash line, and I'll be right back to do my highlighter and the lips. Okay, so I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face before we go into the highlighter. Alright, new highlighter alert. So I finally got my hands on the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. I know I'm real late on this trying, but I like my highlighters that I had. So we're going to take this. This is what it looks like. Pretty. So I'm just going to take, if I could find my highlighting brush. So I'm gonna take my highlighting brush, and y'all ready? Cause I ain't ready. I'm gonna go in with my powder brush and blend this in because y'all. Okay, let's finish this up. I do have some new lip products. Y'all know I'm from Memphis, and shout out to Missy Russell Beauty, who launched some new liquid lipsticks, y'all. So y'all know I had to support. I actually got 3. I got Dynamic, Gracious, and Worthy. And one of these that I'm trying today, I'm actually going to be trying it out for the first time on camera. But I have already worn Dynamic, and it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. But I'm going to be trying out, I think, Worthy. I think I'm going to do either Worthy or Gracious today. But I love her packaging. It's this really, really pink rose gold. It's super, super pretty. And this is what her packaging looks like. This is Worthy, and I also have, I'm gonna go get Dynamic because I want to swatch them and show you guys what they look like. This is Gracious and it's super pretty. Okay, so again, I also got Dynamic. So I got 3 of her liquid lipsticks. I love the formula. They are so pigmented. So this is Dynamic. Swatch it. This is what Dynamic looks like. Super pretty, super pigmented, like bomb. Okay, for real. I don't know her, like seriously, these are like some really good formula quality liquid lipsticks. Oh yes, this swatch is horrible, but this is Worthy. Oh yes, like super pretty. And then this is Gracious. Oh yes, I would definitely need a lip liner with like Gracious, but this is Gracious, Dynamic in the middle, and then Worthy right here. Okay, you guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you've tried out some of these products, let me know down in the comment section below what your thoughts on them are. How did you like them? And if you got some ideas of some new products that you need to get your hands on, like these liquid lipsticks, you need to go ahead and get them. I will leave her Instagram handle linked down in the description box below. Of course, all the products used in today's video will be linked down in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. All of my social media handles are down there as well. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.